And welcome back. Let's get off the blocks with some athletics, shall we? With Jamaica having never won a medal in the women's discus at the World Athletics Championships, four-time national champion Samantha Hall will be looking to change that in Tokyo. More in this report.
32-year-old Samantha Hall has already been to two World Championships, Oregon in 2022 and Budapest in 2023, but she failed to progress from the qualifying round in each occasion. However, she's brimming with confidence this time around, having thrown a personal best to 64.97 meters in July, a distance which ranks her 18th in the world based on performances.
My expectation is to make the finals because, that's pretty much my goal, and hopefully be in the top three, getting a medal for Jamaica.
Hall's personal best throw ensured automatic qualification to Tokyo, which she says was a welcome boost for her mental state heading into the biennial event.
Oh, I have already qualified last month, so that is no issue for me. I'm just kind of glad, because that is like a stressful thing for most athletes.
Hall's last throw before the Tokyo showpiece came at the NACAC Senior Championships in the Bahamas, where she took gold with a throw of 61.19 meters. The Tokyo World Athletics Championships will run from September 13 to 21 and can be seen live and exclusively on TVJ, TVJSN and OneSportMedia.com with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Our coverage starts on September 12. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.